Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying account and network basics so the fix works. Sign into Icloud on the Mac, confirm private relay is allowed in Icloud settings, and make sure your Mac uses a stable network like Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Once done, temporarily disable any VPNs, proxies, or captive portals because they block private relay. Next, open Safari and try to load an Icloud-backed page. If it still fails, move directly to System Configuration and DNS Changes. Now you change network settings that commonly block private relay. Open System Settings, go to Network, choose your interface, then Advanced and replace DNS with 1, 1, 1, 1 or 9, 9, 9, 9. This avoids ISP DNS filtering. Once done, ensure no HTTP or SOCKS proxies are set and remove any manual MTU or captive portal entries. After that, renew the DHCP lease and restart the interface. Unplug Ethernet or toggle Wi-Fi off and on. These steps finish by restarting the Mac to apply changes, then open Safari and test Icloud Private Relay. If it still can't connect, sign out of Icloud and sign back in. This resets the service handshake. Once done, remove saved Wi-Fi networks and rejoin fresh, or create a new Mac OS user to rule out profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, test on a different network, cellular hotspot or neighbor's Wi-Fi, because the issue is often external network filtering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.